Every product, every marketing plan. Concentration is where the leaders come in. Momentum stage is where the millionaires are made. And stability stage is where the millionaires can rest while earning millions. That's the stability stage. Next. Formulation stage in local is 1 to 2 years. This is the most dangerous part in building a network marketing business. Even traditional business, the formulation stage, that's 1 to 2 years. So that's why a lot of network marketing companies close their company within 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Because formulation stage is the most dangerous stage. In international is how many? 0 to 10 years. What? For 10 years, we're only the formulation stage? Yes. We started expanding at the age of 9 years. And right now, we change our product, continuous change of marketing plan, different problems we encounter in getting the certificates of the products, of the office, like here in Korea. We're experiencing a lot of problems because we are in the formulation stage, 0 to 10 years. In Africa, before the NAFTA approve all of our products, it takes us 2 to 3 years. And Mr. Emmanuel Pakmu, our leader there, the chairman of Lagos, Nigeria, spent around 2 to 3 million pesos just for the products to be approved by NAFTA. Because it is 0 to 10 years. Concentration is what? Where the leaders come in, 2 to 5 years. But in international, that's 10 to 20 years. A lot of leaders coming from different companies join our group in Africa. And they're earning around 700,000, 1 million pesos a month.
Wow.
In a span of 3 years. Our sales in 9 years, they just get it in just 3 years. That's how big other continents are. So don't just stay here in Korea. Don't just stay in the Philippines. Ang dami sa atin, balik OFW project. That's wrong. You recruited a lot in South Korea, then if you have a good income, you go to the Philippines and you never come back. Paano may na-recruit mo dito? Imbes na balik OFW sa akong mundo, nag-start ka na international, tapos babalik ka pa Pilipinas. Tuloy-tuloy mo na. 2 to 5 years, 10 to 20 years, a lot of leaders will come in. And this is the start of 10 to 20 years. Our African brothers, last 3 years or 4 years ago, I held a seminar in our satellite in Hewadong. And there's no African, nor any foreigners that are listening to us. But right now, there's a lot. You saw it in the video a while ago in Japan, in Manila, in Cebu, there's a Russian who joined 7 Heads, Russian. Next.